Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. So in this video, basically this video is for beginners, completely beginners, or if you're non-beginner. And even if you're non-beginner, you're gonna learn a lot of things from this video. So there are very few elements that if you use those elements, you can create abundance varieties of designs, okay? ऐसे थोड़े एलिमेंट्स हैं जो आप अगर सीख जाएंगे तो आप हज़ारों टाइप के डिज़ाइंस बना सकेंगे. आप लैक्स ऑफ डिज़ाइंस यू कैन क्रिएट जस्ट विथ 5 एलिमेंट्स. सो बेसिकली this is a life-changing video for you. If you just focus on 5 elements, then you can create endless varieties of designs. So to begin with, basically in this video, it's like a beginner's hack, okay? So let's just go in. There are few elements. First is thin and thick lines, or anything you create, thin and thick. Second thing is humps. Third, spirals. Fourth, leaves. Fifth, dots. If you just focus on all these 5 elements, it's more than enough to create endless varieties of designs. अगर ये 5 elements अगर आपको अच्छे से बनाने सीख गए तो आप बहुत सारे varieties के designs effortlessly बना सकते हैं. So to begin with, first thing is a lot of beginners or non-beginners, they are unable to create proper, delicate, thin lines. So when I say thin lines, let's begin with this. Don't just create one thin line, one thick line and one thin line. कभी भी ऐसा मत बनाइए. जब भी आप thin and thick lines बना रहे, either if it is in a circle form or in a straight form, always create 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and then fill in between. ऐसे lines बनाइए, ऐसे मत बनाइए. Don't ever create like this. Just one thin, one thick, one thin. Don't create like this. पहले एक line बनाइए, then create another line, then create another line, then create another line. So this is a combination to create your thin and thick lines effortlessly. ये combination है आपको thin and thick lines perfectly बनाने के लिए. So I'm going to reveal loads and loads of secrets in this video, so it will help a lot of beginners to learn henna designs or to create beautiful designs from the comfort of your home. So this is how you can create thin and thick lines. Whereas for humps, a lot of beginners, they create like this. बहुत सारे beginners humps ऐसा बनाते हैं, if I'm not wrong. आपको हम्स किस तरह बनाना है यहाँ पे देखिए. आपको हम्स पहले आपको बारीक लाइन सीखना है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू क्रिएट थिन लाइन. इन ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट थिन लाइन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस 1 inch strokes. So it can be straight, it can be like this. Practice up to 1 inch in size. Keep your cone slightly cross. Apply very minute pressure. Okay? अगर आप पेन पकड़े तो प्रेशर नहीं अप्लाई करते, उसी तरह आपको प्रेशर नहीं अप्लाई करना है. एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई वेरी डेलिकेटली बाय कंप्लीटली टचिंग ऑन द शीट. आपको शीट को पूरा टच करते हुए बहुत स्लोली जाना है. वेरी स्लोली यू आर सपोज टू ड्रैग योर हैंड विद वेरी लेस प्रेशर. आप लोग कौन पकड़ते ही ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में मेहंदी आती. डोंट अप्लाई प्रेशर. ओके, इमेजिन यू आर जस्ट होल्डिंग ए पेन और पेंसिल एंड ड्रैगिंग. जैसे पेंसिल या पेन पकड़कर आप ड्रैग करते, उसी तरह आपको ये बारीक लाइन बनाना है. सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीटली टच ऑन द शीट एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट विदाउट अप्लाइंग मच प्रेशर. आप बहुत हल्के से कम प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हुए बनाइए. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू स्पीक इन बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस सो इट कैन हेल्प यू ऑल. एंड या, सो इन दिस वे यू आर सपोज टू क्रिएट बाय completely touching on the sheet, and by completely touching on the sheet you are supposed to apply your humps like this. आपको शीट पे टच करते हुए आपके हम्प्स बनाना है, like this. And if I say beginners, they create spirals like this without touching on the sheet, right? But you're supposed to create your spirals like this by completely touching on the sheet and by applying very minute pressure. बहुत हल्के से आपको प्रेशर अप्लाई करना है और completely टच करना है. So this is how you can create designs delicately. And coming to the major point, a lot of beginners, they start their spirals from the center like this. But I suggest you all to create spiral, circle, and then continue in the inner corners like this. This will help you to create your spirals or your elements perfectly in a small size. And whereas leaves, just create one line and one line and one line, just an arrow mark, and continue your thin, thick dot. Thin, thick, just apply dots and drag on the sheet. That's it. Coming to dots, I hope you all know this. Just apply a pressure straight and center like this. So if you're able to create these 5 elements perfectly, then you can create endless varieties of designs. I mean it. You can create endless varieties. अब बहुत सारे designs बना सकते हैं अगर आप ये 4 या 5 elements में अगर आप perfect हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? So don't underestimate the power of these 5 elements. You can create literally thousands of designs just by using these elements. So to create your shading, you can also follow this technique. Shading भी अगर सीखना है तो just control your hand and control your pressure. Okay, don't apply too much pressure and control your movement, speed, control. Apply 1-inch strokes like this. My students, they create shading within first day, within 5 minutes in our offline classes. Even if online students, they follow the same technique. So I'm revealing it here. Just control your speed and control your pressure and practice up to 1-inch strokes. If you're able to create like this, then you can create flawless shading in your petals as well. So you can create a lot in tiny size your humps by completely touching on the sheet. बिना शीट को टच करे आप नहीं बना सकते, ऐसे हम्प्स आएंगे आपके. अगर आप टच भी कर रहे हैं और आप मोटा बना रहे हैं तो ऐसा. Control your speed and control your pressure. So these 5 elements, you don't take it granted. These are the most important elements with which you can create thousands of designs. So for example, I'm going to show you how many designs you can create just with these 5 elements. See, you can create border, you can create rhombus shape, you can create mandalas using these 4 to 5 elements. You can create this shape, you can create this, you can create this. See, could you see how many elements you can create, how many varieties of designs and constructions you can create with this just 5 elements? If you focus on these 5 elements, then you can become literally you can earn money. You can from the comfort of your home or from any part of your world. You just need to focus on these 6 to 9 or 5 elements, and you can construct these many designs. If I show you on Pinterest, you can see these lines. Could you see? Dots, spirals, humps, leaves. That's it. Thin and thick lines. So if you see, there are endless designs you can follow or you can create just with 5 to 5 elements. Just for your understanding, I'm explaining you with the pictures. It has only thin and thick lines and you can create thousands of designs with just these elements. Spirals, humps, leaves, dots, just this much. You will get abundance ideas to construct. You don't even need to take a stress. You can just open your Pinterest account and search multiple varieties of designs that are created with these 4 to 5 elements. I hope it is clear. I hope this video will help beginners to excel in henna journey, to become a professional artist, to grow more. I hope these examples are enough for you. Especially you get to see these designs in Western countries like London, Australia. See here, it has only dots and lines, spirals, humps, leaves, dots, that's it. Isn't it so pretty? Don't you think you can create so many designs with this? Spiral, leaves, dots, thin and thick lines. See here. Thin and thick lines, spirals. Henna by Isma. So there are a lot of professional artists, they create designs using just 4 to 5 elements. I hope this video will help you. I hope you will excel in this journey. I hope you will be able to create tons and tons of designs with these five elements. And when you construct, please don't forget me, remember me in your prayers. And don't, if you want to learn professionally in many varieties of designs, then you can even enroll in our online or offline henna classes. Offline classes are conducted in Dubai and Hyderabad in India. So if you're interested in learning professionally in varieties of designs like Indian, Floral, Gulf, then you can enroll in our online classes. I hope these designs are enough for you to show you as an example. And I hope my video helped you to create your designs in delicate size, as delicate as possible. So controlling your speed is the major thing that you can ever try in your henna designs. Controlling your speed and controlling your pressure is the game changer. And if once you are able to excel in this, then you can create plethora of designs effortlessly from the comfort of your home. You can even make a YouTube channel and you can earn by posting lots and lots of videos on these topics. So these 5 points, 5 elements are more than enough. I hope it is clear now. ये 5 elements से आप देख लिए कि कितने designs बना सकते. So let me know if you like this video, and if you want more such tips and tricks, then do let me know in the comments. Okay, so it's not like you just subscribe me, you will get tons of videos, nothing like that. If I get a chance, time or something like that, then I can shoot, and you can even come up with more ideas, or you can give me some suggestions to come up with more content. And you can even follow me on Instagram. I post tons of videos, reels on my Instagram account, Mehndi Artist. You can even follow on that. And if you want to learn professionally within 25 days of our online classes, in that course you get to learn tons and tons of designs, tricks, hacks, secrets, varieties of designs that is trending globally, not only in India, not only in Gulf countries, not only in Western countries. Not only floral designs, not only bold designs, tons of designs you get to learn with proper syllabus, attendance, regular feedbacks will help you to learn. And if you have just Zoom application, then that's enough for you to learn from any part of the globe. So you can even enroll our online classes. That will be from, we have different courses, 1-day course, 2-day, 5-day, 3 days, 15 days, 25 days. Probably we are running currently with 25 days. You can even enroll that if you want to just become pro within a month. Otherwise you can follow loads and loads of videos on YouTube channel, and you can learn even free if you don't have time for engaging your activities with the classes. You can even watch our videos and learn by this. And I hope this is clear so far, and I hope this will help you. You can even take a screenshot of this. Thank you for showing your love. Thank you for subscribing me. Thank you for watching this video till end. Jazakallah khair. Do remember me in your prayers. And when you try any of these designs or any design using these 5 elements, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram account. Thank you so much. I hope this brings a smile on your face. And when you practice by this video, by watching and taking a pause and then trying it, it will really help you, inshallah. Thank you so much, everyone. Sorry, thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.